Welcome to episode 3 in my series from Cambodia. If you watched my first 2 episodes, you'll know that I'm exploring the city of Kampot and the beautiful nature in the surrounding area of southern Cambodia. In today's video, we trek deep into the jungle to find one of the most amazing waterfalls I've ever seen. The 60-meter high Vealpouch Waterfalls is not easy to find, and it is not easy to get to, but the hike was so worth it when I got to swim underneath the falling waters of this amazing waterfall. It all starts right back here in Kampot, so let's go there together and start the journey. You may recognize my driver from my previous video. You can find a link in the description below to contact Vandy Tuk-Tuk driver and tour operator for your next trip to Kampot. Alright, now we're on our way to the Vealpouch Waterfalls, or Vealpouch as they call it here. Man, the road has been rough all the way up, filled with potholes. It rained last night, so there's mud and puddles everywhere. But we're getting there, so let's keep going. Alright, the road has deteriorated so much now that we're actually on foot, so we're making our way, trekking through the jungle to find these waterfalls. Let's go. Wandy, our trusted guide, leading us the way. Here we go, watch it. Careful. Also joining us again today on our tour is Ada. Ada came along on our recent tour of the pepper plantation, and like myself, she was also excited to see these waterfalls for the first time. However, neither of us brought proper footwear for a hike through the jungle. Nonetheless, the 3 of us made our way along the trail, stopping to capture moments and images of all the natural wonder along our path as we forged our way up the mountain. Well, this kind of reminds me of my hike up to Klong Nonsi Waterfalls in Ko Chang. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Click the link. Well, so far I seem to be managing okay, hiking through the jungle in my beach sandals. However, as we crossed the river, things got a bit more sketchy. The trail became overgrown. We were pushing our way through the branches, climbing under trees. I had thistles in my hands and fingers. My face was clearing the path of spiderwebs, and something had already stung me on the neck. And we were at the mercy of being eaten by anything that crawled on the ground. Oh! Ants bite me. Ow! The next portion of the hike, we were climbing up and over large boulders and wading through the stream. I will admit, I was having a bit of a difficult time, while Ada seemed to be taking it all in stride, leading the way in her flip-flops.
Well, this is quite a trek. He's just informed me that it's about 10 minutes more, so whew, let's keep pressing on. What did I sign myself up for?
And finally, after all that effort, the waterfalls came into view.
Well, as you can see, we finally made it to the waterfalls. Such a beautiful place, beautiful waterfalls. The trek through the jungle, I'm gonna say, was quite arduous. It was a bit of a trek. I wasn't expecting that, but now that we're here, it's all worth it. So this is the part of the video where I'm gonna ask you to hit the like button. Do me a favor for all my hard work today, getting bitten by red ants and flying pterodactyls and every other thing here in the jungle. I could use your support. So hit that like button. I'd appreciate it very much.
After a few moments of introspection and being mindful of the magical display Mother Nature was providing me, I decided to immerse myself in a sabbatical baptism of sorts and go for a cool swim in the fresh mountain water.
Yeah, look at that, baby. Woo! Well, the water's cool. Such a hot day. Well worth the hike in. I want to say thank you to Mandy. Thank you. This is not a tourist trail. If you didn't have a local guide showing you how to get here, you'd never find it. Yeah, baby.
Well, that's it for this video, folks. Thanks for watching. As you can imagine, I'm giving this 2 thumbs up. And remember, wherever you are and wherever you go, go with the flow.